Now we all know that this is a purely fictional video. For me, it's office to kids entertainment, not office to dinner, date night, anything like that. But for the sake of the video, let's pretend I actually have anywhere to go to. Hi everyone, welcome back to Linda di Braloca. This is how I look when I come home from the office. This is not fake, this is how I look. After a full day of work, I applied this makeup in the morning with a soft smoky brown eye, some full coverage foundation, some blusher. I did wear lipstick which has completely rubbed off, liner and mascara, which is what I usually wear. This is not how I would go out on date nights, but sometimes there's just not enough time to transform from this into full glam in the evenings. So I'm here to show you how I go from office to night out with just this. Let's look inside. First thing is a deodorant because, let's face it, that's what we'll all need. And then let's go step by step. As you can see, I am really greasy. There is not much left of my eyeshadow. My liner and my mascara has smudged a little. Blusher is almost gone and my lipstick is almost gone. So honestly, it would be probably the best to take everything off and start again, but that's not usually an option. So I encourage you to work with what you got. You got to do your base, embrace the glow, just fixing. And I have two different options of what you could do. I wear a liquid foundation throughout the day, but I'm a huge fan of powder foundation for touch-ups. Works great on my more oily skin, but when, like I see is the case right now, my foundation has started to separate and is, kind of broken and kind of patchy. What I like to do is I like to take a beauty blender and either just dampen it and go over the patches to really redistribute the foundation. That will shear out the coverage and it just helps against the patchiness. If your skin is drier, and this is something that even I sometimes do, use a little bit of oil, 2 drops on the back of your hand, dab your beauty blender in there, and then use the oil. That will prevent any clinging to dry patches because it will moisturize the skin, redistribute the foundation, and add to this lovely glow. I don't know if you can pick up on camera, but I can definitely see when I look in the mirror that, especially around my T-zone, my foundation looks much more even without me having to reapply. Then I reach for my trusty powder foundation. This one is a Big Compact by Sephora and a mini kabuki. Liberally go in and powder my T-zone. This one doesn't take away all the shine, so I will be left with some glow, but will still make me look more put together. And the oil I applied beforehand is preventing this from looking cakey. For a blush, I always have a stick option with me. This one is Pixi by Petal. It's a multi-balm, but I don't like it anywhere except my cheeks. And it's the color Baby Petal. It's just a nude because I like to put the focus on my eyes, so I just want a little flush of color. These don't last very long, probably 3 to 4 hours, but that's enough for a night out. That will be pretty much my base done. For the eyes, as I said, it's a little smudged, the smokiness is almost gone, it's all blended together, my liner is a little more on the grayish side. Again, embrace that and use something like this. This is a chic. This is a stick eyeshadow by Sephora, and it's a green, golden, khaki one. Let me quickly grab my mirror. And you just apply that messily over the liner and over the mobile part of your lid. The messier the better. Then you reach for a brush. This one is a great dual-ended one, and just start blending it. And these ones blend pretty easily, and you already have kind of a transition color, and you already have smudged liner anyway, so now it looks as if it is smudged on purpose. And you take the same one and bring it underneath your eye. That hides the mascara that's smudged down there, and then just going with the other side, there's a slightly denser brush, and smudge, smudge, smudge. You see, that was minimal effort, but already took the eyes up to smoky bedroom darkness. And to add even more, I'm going in with a Pixi tight line in black. This is just a tight line for your upper waterline. And this one stays put on me all night, but has a tendency to slightly smudge to my lower waterline, which I don't like during daytime, but I like the more rock and roll Kate Moss vibe that I get when I wear it in the nighttime. For brows, I usually just go in with Tinted Brow Gel. This is by Alverde, and yeah, just give my brows a little comb through so they are back in shape. And for the lips, I think the obvious solution is go for a bold lip. Yes, I know you already have dark eyes, but that doesn't matter because it's a nighttime look and the red lip makes everything look more glamorous in an instant. If you don't want the upkeep or if you want something hydrating because your lips are slightly dry after your day at the office, opt for one of these sticks, one of the more satiny ones. This one is by Astor, and as you can see, it's well loved. And it's just an easy red that you can sheer out. So for beginning, just apply a little bit, sheer it out with your fingers, and then build up the intensity as you're comfortable with. Now it would be time to dress up and do something with your hair, but if you're looking for advice like this, you have come to the completely wrong channel. I have nothing to say. I just, let my hair down. Oh, and spritz my face. This is the NYX Matte Finish Long Lasting Setting Spray. I don't feel like it does much in terms of mattifying or making my makeup more long lasting, but it takes away any hint of powderiness and makes the makeup look a little more lived in, so I can look as if I really did not put in any effort. And to be honest, it wasn't that much, and everything fit into this tiny little purse. So this is how I would go from daytime to nighttime. Do you have any tips? Please share them in the comments below. Let me know if you like this look, and I'm going to see you all very soon with another video. Bye!